Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to CRM Ones. In this video, we will see how to apply theme in powerapp's Canvas app. Firstly, open make.powerapps.com in your Chrome or any browser, and then next create or open any existing Canvas app according to your business requirement. Here I am edit my Canvas app. My Canvas app name is Apply Theme. Next, click on Theme option located on the top panel of the Power App Studio. Here select your theme from the available options or customize a theme by modifying colors, fonts and other visual elements. Once you satisfied, save the changes and the selected theme will be applied to your app uniformly. For more detailed information, please check the below description link. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.